guys. Hi, come on in. My name is Marcel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, One Dapper Street. And if you're watching this, maybe you already know me and maybe you already saw our LA apartment tour that I posted recently. This is our New York home where Hilda and I first moved in together. I thought I'd show you around as this is like the third to last day that we have in here, and it's really sad because it's really pretty. So let me talk about it. First thing that you saw how you just came in, right? Touch ID. What? It's so cool. Like I'm a bit of a tech geek. So like whenever I buy a house where it makes sense to buy one of these, definitely happening. Stay with the tech for a second. We also got Nest for any tech loving geeks. This is like a learning thermostat. Amazing. Nest, the best. Not sponsored. All right, and you guys are in the kitchen. If you want to come over here real quick. This is the kitchen. It's a very small apartment. I think it's 700 square foot, 750, and it's a one bedroom, but the kitchen is fairly compact, but really well done. There's a lot of storage that we have over here that is full, so I will not show you. Got a nice large fridge that's kind of like a mini bar up here, a tiny bit. Then we've got an espresso machine here, unlike in LA where we had the actual coffee machine. Hilda's got a bunch, which if you haven't seen that, the second you walked in, there's a bunch of plants in this apartment, which I love. They would not live with me. Thankfully, Hilda has a very green thumb, so she can keep them alive and make this place look pretty. Here's a little on the windowsill, the first 5, a couple in, what do you call it? Not irrigation?
Propagation.
Propagation. So close. Right.
No.
Then, it's kind of close, right?
No.
We got a few hooks here. It's a bit messy, but like almost kind of on purpose. There's like several layers. Then we got a little glove thingy box. All those pretty sneakers. That's for her birthday present.
Yay.
Yay. Then we got plants up here. This is shoe storage. So that kind of looks like that. What? No, that wasn't there. And then we're already in the dining area, if you will. I absolutely love this concrete table. I don't know, if you guys have followed me for a while, you may remember this from my apartment 2 before this one here in Long Island City. It's from CB2, absolutely love it. We got these chairs that, where did we get them, babe? Do you know?
I think it was Westel.
I don't think so, I think it was Pier 1.
No, I think it was Westtown. Something with a W. Okay.
Wayfair.
Wayfair, yeah.
Wayfair! These are Wayfair chairs, and we wanted to try 2 different colors to see what worked better, and then we kind of just decided that we liked the mix. So we kept that up and going. Then we've got Angela hanging from the roof, and just a gentle reminder that good things are coming. This is one of my favorite pieces that Hilda bought for the place. I think it's really nice. It's also going to be the first thing that's going to enter our new home in LA, for which there will also be a home tour, you guessed it, if you guys want it, anyway. So on the table we've got Bubbles, who's going a little bit crazy, needs to be repotted. Behind Bubbles we've got several plants that are on the windowsill, including some orchids, and this is the plant masterpiece of the apartment. This is Lily. Lily's been with us for one apartment only, but she's going to also come to LA with us. We're actually driving across the country to get all the plants back because you can't deliver plants. Then we move on to the living room, which Lily kind of divides the dining into the living room. We've got this couch from Article, a couple pillows, a little nice natural blanket, and then this West Elm coffee table, CB2. One of the 2. That does this, which is really nice. So we tend to eat a lot here and watch some TV on our little Samsung TV on this easel. Same as in LA, we really love the easel look, and it just worked for this apartment. We couldn't really have put it against the wall, so it was kind of out of our hands. And if you want to, we can step out on the balcony really quick. Out here on the balcony, as the sun is peeking through a tiny bit, we kept it very minimal. It's not like in the last apartment where there was a spectacular view. We've got these 2 chairs and a little table really just to go outside and enjoy the sun a little bit. We're in between New York buildings here in Long Island City, and then on the other side we've got a little rusty ladder that usually holds our summer plants outside, but since we're only back for 1 week and only to pack up the apartment and haven't been here, they have not made it outside, so excited to see where that's gonna land in the new apartment. Let's move back inside. So let me show you the bathroom, then we'll take a look at the bedroom and the huge walk-in closet. It's not. It's like a squeeze-in closet, but you'll see. And then, remember I like tech? Said that before, so washer dryer. That's not the tech I'm talking about. Come into the bathroom. It's such a simple thing, and it's kind of stupid, I don't know. But you just press the on button, and then you have this like nice backlit mirror. So cool. Hilda likes this blue light, which literally I want to rip my eyes out. But I like this warm yellow light. And arguably, this is one of the best showers I've ever had. It's a rain shower. Step in. Yeah, it's just really nice. I think this is one of the things I'll miss most about this apartment. I'll turn this off.
I'm okay with yellow light in the bathroom though. It's,
right?
I'm talking about I like the blue lights in the kitchen and common areas.
And then on to the bedroom. And here we have our tiny little bedroom. It's not that tiny. We've got a king-size bed in here. And we've got the bed frame from Macy's at a ridiculous deal. I don't know. We've never really bought furniture from Macy's, but we ordered it online and it worked out fantastically. We got our mattress here from Lisa. They actually sent us one, which is amazing. Like I said in my video in Los Angeles, we have that like $5,000 Tempur-Pedic mattress, and this was a fraction of the cost and literally is like on par with it. Then, as in so many of the apartments that I've lived in over the past 5 years, we did black steel piping for the closet because I have a lot of clothes and they need to go somewhere. So we got suit jackets and suits down here, we got shirts up here, light jackets here, and then some hoodies, sweatshirts, and t-shirts here. To the right, we've got the storage from IKEA, which I think is really nice, and then Hilda did a great job, I think, curating this little corner here, as well as along the windowsill, just several pieces of art, and there's things that her mom gave us from Brazil, like the little H and the M. There's another H over there. So I'm really liking this corner. This is where we store all of our socks, activewear, all of that. And then in terms of the bed stands, babe, where did we get the bed stands? Urban Outfitters?
This Urban Outfitters, yeah.
Urban Outfitters. So these are amazing. We have one on each side. For me, it's some nighttime storage as well as some accessories. Then we've got a little plant even here in the bedroom. And underneath, we got extra storage from the container store, right? These are from the container store, the fabric ones, that are also beneath the closet right here, which is really maximizing the storage space here. And then we move on to the closet. You can't really go in that way, you kind of have to go in sideways and then you squeeze. So that's where we have Hilda's clothes, where there's some winter coats towards the back. That's where the denim is folded up on the shelves. And then some camera storage and accessories back up there. And that's already it. So much less to cover than the apartment in LA. I hope you guys liked it. We're definitely going to be missing this apartment a whole lot. But at least we have this video now to look back on and to also obviously show you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We can't wait to move into the new house, which is going to be amazing. I can't wait to show you around. Like I said, if you are interested and if you're liking these videos, please let us know down below in the comments. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay dapper.